Okay guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to go into how you can start clipping for Stevewilldoit, how much money you can make, and how to actually get started. Okay guys, so first things first, right guys? So yeah, Stevewilldoit has a clipping program where he pays you to clip his content, right? So content like this, for example, you can get paid for reposting that content with a good caption and everything else. Now, the reason I'm on his X page right now, guys, is because he has quite a lot of long form videos that when he was banned off YouTube, that you can take content from, you can take and repurpose into short form content, which, you know, I will have a look here, guys, but he has quite a lot of stuff here. So jumping straight into it, guys. So why does Stevewilldoit have a clipping program? And basically how much money can you make from it? So basically, guys, he does a lot of gambling content as of recently, so it's not too clippable, but his long form content where he used to do vlog style videos, you can definitely clip, and you can even clip this type of content here, but the vlog style ones, they still go viral and they're still easy views to get. So jump into it, guys, how much you get paid for clipping for Stevewilldoit. Okay guys, so jumping straight into it, you can see right here you get paid $300 per million views that you get for Stevewilldoit. Now he pays this out once every single month, so you have 30 days in the month to basically clip his content and basically get paid for it. Now what do you need to do this, right? So you need to join the server, which I can help you guys get into if you join my free Discord down below, which has a full guide on clipping and everything else, how to get started in way more detail. This is just a video to kind of teach you guys a little bit more about clipping and how it kind of works and who you can kind of clip for. So what you need to do, guys, is you need to use this logo here, which is provided by Stevewilldoit. So, you know, this logo here, you just put it over your clip that you're going to post on Instagram or TikTok. Also, by the way, guys, that this watermark here does not affect any of your views at all. It's been tested multiple times, so it won't affect your views or whatever, so don't worry, guys. You use that logo, then you make clips basically with that logo on, which I'll find you guys an example now. Okay guys, so for example, this is someone who's clipping for Stevewilldoit, but they're doing it through a site called Gamdom. Okay guys, but basically, long story short, you could do an exact caption like this, make an exact video like this. Shout out to this guy, Stevewilldoit clip over here. Yeah guys, so basically this is how you basically structure videos. So you put a clickbait title or something, you know, it's a true title, but it makes it look kind of a bit nice up on the top of the screen. Again, I go through all this in my Discord about how to structure clips properly, but you basically post content like this and make content like this, and from there, obviously guys, you get views, and then obviously you get paid from Stevewilldoit directly. Now there's loads of other ways you can do it. The good thing about clipping for streamers, especially Stevewilldoit, is you can always use other clipping logo campaigns like Gamdom, like Rainbet, like Stake to monetize your content as well. It's just for the beginning, to build your page up and start making your first bit of money clipping, you can just clip for Stevewilldoit directly and he'll pay you directly every single month. The reason I can't show you a page that I've worked on, guys, previously is because I no longer clip for Stevewilldoit, but I do know friends who still do, and they do make good money off of it. So as you guys can see in here as well, Stevewilldoit is kind of active himself in the actual server. So that's also really cool because a lot of creators aren't too active in their own clipping campaign servers. But yeah guys, all that aside, I hope this shows a bit more insight on how much you get paid, how to kind of start clipping for Stevewilldoit, and basically everything else.